Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about: the laser rust cleaning machine. In this video, the laser rust cleaning machine is a revolutionary technology that's transforming the way we deal with rust and contaminants on various surfaces. Its non-abrasive, eco-friendly, and precise nature makes it a top choice for industries and restoration projects around the world. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a laser rust cleaning machine? Well, it's a cutting-edge tool designed to remove rust, paint, and contaminants from various surfaces, predominantly metal. This device uses high-powered lasers to do the job, and the results are truly astonishing. The principle behind it is relatively simple, but the technology is advanced. The laser emits a high-intensity beam of light that interacts with the rust or unwanted material. This interaction causes the rust to evaporate and be removed from the surface, leaving a clean and corrosion-free metal underneath, reducing downtime in various applications. Safety is paramount when working with rust and contaminants. Laser rust cleaning minimizes the need for harsh chemicals and manual labor, making it a safer option. While laser rust cleaning is a fantastic technology, let's talk about the advantages of using a laser rust cleaning machine. Unlike traditional methods that involve abrasive techniques, laser rust cleaning is non-abrasive. It doesn't damage the substrate, preserving the integrity of the material. This method is eco-friendly because it doesn't generate harmful chemicals or waste. It's a clean and green solution for rust removal. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you found this information useful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. And, as always, if you have any questions or experiences to share about laser rust cleaning machines, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world.